Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making. So here we have our ingredients list. You can pause to take a look. We need flour, salt, cold butter, our water and apple cider vinegar mixed together. So we're going to put our flour into our food processor, add our salt. I'm going to pulse that a little bit to combine those two things. Then we're going to add our frozen butter. Remember, the butter must be cold. So you're taking it straight from the freezer. You're going to try to cut it up. So we're going to pulse that till it becomes crumbly. Then we're going to add our water and apple cider vinegar mixture to it. A little pulse, add a little more, pulse again until you've added all your water and apple cider vinegar. And then what we're going to do now is pour that out into our bowl, and we're going to form it into two dough balls, because we want one crust for the bottom and we want one crust for the top. So we're just going to continue working on that and try to get it as even as possible and forming into our dough balls. Once we have finished forming it, then we're going to put it in some plastic wrap, and we're going to refrigerate until we're ready to roll them out to use. So you could use this pie crust recipe to make anything. If you want to make apple pie, you can use this to make chicken pot pie, apple pie, any type of fruit pie that you want to make. This is a fantastic recipe to make your very own homemade pie crust, and it tastes delicious. You notice what I did there is that I took the pie dish to measure to make sure that I rolled it out big enough so it will cover the whole inside of the pie dish there. Now that's a way that you have to do to pick up the pie. You have to roll it on your pin, on your rolling pin, in order to be able to pick it up, because there's no way you'll be able to hold that in your hand. So now I'm just pressing the sides together, and where it needs some extra pieces, I just ripped out the sides and stuck it together. So we form our pie crust. And there you have it. That's your pie crust. Now you can put whatever it is you want to fill inside. But now I'm rolling the top piece for it to cover it. So now I've covered it and just squeezing in the sides. Then I just use a fork to press down the sides. And very important, you need to place vent holes so that the steam will escape